sunshine.
That's all I've got.
Oh, it's a dirty.
I'm really sorry.
Go on. Kate.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Call it.
Come on.
Call it.
Tails.
Oh! Good girl. Let's go in the bowl. To the bowl. To the bowl.
No.
Come on, Alice. No, Alice. No. Bowl.
No.
I don't think that's what the bowl was for.
Oh! That's our carpet.
You've got to lick the carpet.
Phil, tea towels over there. In the bowl.
And then you have to lick the carpet.
You're going to drink from the bowl.
That's amazing.
Frothy.
I hope it's you. Oh my god. I was joking at Pete and it's actually me. God. Call it. Right. Ready?
Call it.
Wait.
Ready.
Call it.
Yeah, go on.
Everyone.
Adam.
Heads.
Come on.
You went
Dump it.
with me.
We're fucking awesome. Pete, you fucking started this. You've got only one to blame if this is you.
Leon. Phil. I'm staying here, remember?
God's good.
That's true. The bathroom, by the way. And
God, toss
there's
it.
your sick bucket.
God's
Back in.
God's goose.
I'm gonna need a while if I do this. Heads. Recall.
Oh, there's some pressure.
Right.
Retoss.
Ready?
Tails.
Come on.
Fuck.
Down it goes.
Oh my god. In one's a bit of an effort. Oh, fair play, Rob.
Come on, Rob.
Nice.
We got almost there. Oh, backwash. Cider.
That is convenient having a bowler.
Oh.
Excuse.
Oh, fucking
Wait, yeah, fair play.
Would you done it?
Oh.